Hello guys, good morning. Can you hear me guys?
Good morning, sir.
A
Good
very
morning.
good morning. A very good morning. Give me a second.
Sir.
Yeah.
Um,
Yes,
I have a doubt from yesterday's class.
yes, please,
So I
please.
started doing the check your progress 9.2, and
Mhm.
I wasn't able to get the answers, but I got like some other answer. So would it be
Okay.
possible to do the first two questions?
Just give me a second. Which chapter you are doing? Chapter 9. Okay. Yeah. Which question? Which page number 10? Can you tell me please?
Page number 246.
246. Yeah, I'm just checking up for 46. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Have him turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Yeah. 246. Which question, beta?
The check your progress 9.2, the first and second question.
What question you got wrong?
The point is, I'm doing it exactly like whatever screenshots I took, but I'm not able to get
Mm,
the answer.
you're not able to get it. I like the questions. Everyone will do. I will also do, but everyone will do in your copy and don't see the board. Okay. Hello, Ezekiel. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. Yeah, everyone do this question. Okay, I am also doing it. Ezekiel, are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Turn on your camera, Ezekiel, Joshua, please. This is the answer. What you got, Anna?
I got 4,000.
You got 4,000.
So the behind the book, the answer says 4,000 also.
4,000. Did I write some mistake? What mistake I did? As per Hannah, what's the difference?
I put 100 upon 3 on top and I put 100 upon 12 down. So I took the denominator, which is 1200, to the left hand side first, and then I took 300 again.
Sorry.
Should I show you, sir?
Yeah. So, put it near to the camera. You got 60,600. Same. I think I did some calculation. What mistake I did? Come on, man. Alright. Correct. Please, 2006. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay, okay, okay. My God. See, 15, 6 90. Come on. It is very serious. Now also good. Very serious. Now you got Anna. What different you did? A for Anna.
I made the mixed fraction a decimal.
Yeah. Then it might be a problem. Okay. Understood? Yes or no? Now, next question, you want to do it or can you do it by yourself?
I can keep doing the next question, sir. But could you
Sorry?
do the third one? Could you do the
What
third
one?
one?
Third one.
So even I tried the second one quite a few times. I'm not getting it, and the answer in the book is 200 upon 9. So I don't know how to solve it.
So you want to do second one or third one?
Both. So
You could do the second one, it's okay.
I didn't get both.
Ezekiel, are you getting it or you're just sitting? Jehovan? Joshua?
Yes, sir.
You got it? Good. Do this question also. Okay, do this question also. Everyone. Now I want answer from Ezekiel.
Sir, I'm still getting the hang of it, sir. I'm kind of confused. I'm like checking the last sum right now.
Okay.
Like,
So what problem you're facing? Just tell me, na? I'll help you.
it's not a problem, it's like getting used to doing it. I'm like, if I see it done, then I'm understanding how it's done. But when I'm doing it like from the start, I'm getting confused.
It means that you need a practice.
Yes.
You know,
Huh? This much I'm getting. What's the answer?
the book says 200 upon 9. I got 4240 the first time and 1932 now.
Say it again.
The book says 200 upon 9. I got 2240 the first time. And now I got 1932. And I'm still doing the division.
And 9, what I did? No, no. 9 would be different.
So,
Yeah.
how is it 5,600?
Which part, beta? Green part or red
No,
part?
the green part, the 5,600.
5,600 is the balance, no? Which is left. So for the principal for the first month is 5,600. How? See, when you will subtract it, you will get answer as 5,600. Now for the second month, you have paid one installment, which is X amount. So I did 5,600 minus X. For the third month, you paid X before in the second month and one more X for the second month. So if you will subtract it, you will get 5,000 minus 2X like this.
I minus it by 9,000. I didn't add the 600.
Yeah. Is this the same answer you got?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So book is wrong. I mean, sometimes books have different answers. Right? So the 200 upon 9 won't be the answer. Okay. Got it, guys? Ezekiel, Anna, Joshua, Jehovan. Johan, you got it? Turn on the camera, please.
So I got wrong in that 9,000 one, the 9,600 one. But the rest of the steps, I got it.
Okay, good. Ezekiel, turn on the camera, please. You understood this thing? You want to do third question?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please do it with me, huh? Don't just wait. Oh, sir is doing. Why go on? Do it. Okay. An article is sold for an article is sold for 5,000. Okay. Please do it with me. Yeah, this is the answer. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Hannah, Jahan, Ezekiel. Yes, Hannah. What mistake you did?
I
Hannah?
don't know, sir.
Huh?
I don't know.
You didn't understand?
I don't know where I made them.
Okay, so what answer you got?
We hold that and take it.
Sorry?
I got 750.
750.
I think it's a division mistake.
Hmm. Okay. Ezekiel, you got the answer? You understood this? No.
I'm understanding, sir.
Yeah, where you got mistake? You just tell me. I'm helping. I will help you.
I did I did the same way only. I'm just checking if my answer was right. If the
Okay.
steps I did was correct. I did the same way, but yeah.
Okay. Anna, did you understand?
Yes. So the book answer was different for this one also.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट. Okay, okay. What's the answer book?
The book answer that they gave was 775.77.
Uh, I think this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. No problem. Okay, so we'll stop here only in the maths class. Tomorrow we'll start a new topic which is cash price. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Later. Bye bye. We'll have 5 minutes break, then come back in science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, come back. Okay, so we were doing. Today we will learn pH. Okay, so let me turn on that place. Okay. What's the page number? अच्छा, तो number 8. Yeah. So now today we will learn the importance of pH and in our day-to-day life. Okay, importance of pH in day-to-day life. The first is pH in human being. So pH range of our body should be lie between from 7 to 7.8. Okay, the pH should lie from 7 to 7.8. Means our body blood is slightly alkaline. Okay. Now, I remember one story in which my nani was admitted in the hospital. Okay. And when the blood, when they take the um, blood sample, so due to the blood, keratin is very high. So, and some of more of the region like uric acid. So because of this, her alkalinic blood is becoming little bit acidic. So basically, her was I guess 7.23, and I saw the range table, like it should be between 7.23 or 7.21 to 7.34, something like this. I'm not remembering it, but it should be near it. If it is below 7, then it's very acidic and she will die instantly. So basically, our blood is slightly alkalinic. It should be slightly alkalinic. That is why our grandfather or grandmother used to say that go and fresh up yourself again and again, so that the acidic nitrogenesis waste which is in your blood should be come out from your body. Like they always used to say that please drink a lot of water so that the so that the blood can be purified in your kidney, and there will be no nitrogenesis waste should be there. Understood? Today, Jawan and Jishron network is very good. What happened? What
Not
happened?
sometimes it works.
I think you had a night prayer. That's why. Okay. So yeah. So our pH should be like slightly alkaline. Understood? The second is acid rain. Now, what is acid rain? You know, acid rain is the rain which occur we know that we are the human beings. We are just disturbing the environment by creating a pollution. Like we create for air pollution or dust and no, air pollution, water pollution like these. So acid rain is the rain. Like when we are when pollution goes up, like the polluted gas, like sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. So this sulfur dioxide and this sulfur trioxide in the cloud merge with the water makes decrease the pH. Water basically have 7, but because these gases mixed with water and creating a decrease in the pH, which is 5.6, is called an acid rain. That is why when the monsoon first rain come, never take a bath in it. I literally saw persons. They have burns on their skin because they enjoyed in the first rain. So never ever take a bath in the first rain of any season, like monsoon season, especially because the first season they have the collection of these gases and the water is mixing it. That is why it's called as acid rain. Understood, guys? Now, second, pH in plant. Now, plant can never uh, take growth in neutral or too acidic and too basic. Okay, it can be little acidic or little basic. Okay, so can you read this? Doing test. I'm just doing some payment and I will be here only. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Till then, you just read it. Okay. Okay. Now, third is digestive system. Digestive system, like our body releases HCl, which is acidic. Okay. Now, sometimes when we eat spicy food, the spicy food urges our stomach to release more HCl. This is called as acid flux. Sometimes you have, Mama, I eat too much spicy food and now I have a burning sensation in my esophagus. Yes? Yeah. Why it's so? Because you eat too spicy, stomach releases too much HCl. The HCl gives the acid flux, and in esophagus, when it comes, oh, Mama, I need to drink something cold. So this is happened because of it. Understood? Now there is a self-defense of animals also. Like um, for example, uh, um, self-defense of animals, we can understand it like this. Uh, yeah. One thing what happened, and now I will give you one story. Like I love to share stories. Okay. So what happened? I was riding a bike. Okay. Then what happened? One wasp came and it just bit on my hand and it got stuck here. Now because it got stuck, it means that he put a sting on my skin. And when he put the sting, then it's a burning sensation, like literally a burning sensation was there. Then what I went, I went to my house because I'm a science teacher, because I know science. So I went to my house. I went and I take out baking soda, put it honey into it, make a paste, and I just rub over that area, and it becomes healed. Why? Because the wasp which sting, which put a like which bites on my skin or which put a stink on my skin, it releases the methanoic acid. I know this is an acid. So what I did, I went, I put a base. I know that acid and base will make neutral. Understood? Yes or no? So this is the advantage of the science. Okay, like you're science students, no? So never ever take a nap in science class because this is a very important thing. Okay. So what is I'm trying to say that every animals have self defense. Like one more example. So we were in Darjeeling. Okay. So in Darjeeling, there's a lots of plants and lots of mountain plants. Everything was there. Okay. So it's like this. We are standing here, and if you will see little up, then you will find some roads, and like between that roads, there is only trees or small plants and some small places. Like we want to do trekking. The instance is we want to do trekking. So we are the three ones. I and two other guys, two more friends. Okay. So when we went up, we all reached successfully. I am the heavyweight, but I also reached successfully. Okay. So now when I reach, one of my friend is saying that I am like snitching. I have I'm scratching my skin. It's burning here. So what we saw that there is a nettle plant. There was a nettle plant in between these roads, and when he touched the nettle plant gave the acid to his skin, and now it's a burning sensation. And the good news was that we didn't find that plant, but near the nettle plant there's another plant. It's called a dock plant, DOCK, dock plant. Now that dock plant has alkalinic. So whenever in the jungle, if you are touched with the nettle plant, which giving a burning sensation on your skin, there is a dog plant just below it or just near it. Okay, when you will rub it, it become normal. So plants also have defense mechanisms so that the animals cannot eat them. Understood? There's a tooth decay also. Okay, tooth decay is basically what? When we eat lot of chocolates. Dairy milk, Kit Kat, Amul dark chocolate, everything. Okay, there is no promotion. Okay, there is no promotion. Okay, again. So basically, when we eat a lot of chocolates, it's create like bacteria attack them, and bacteria releases the acidic things, and which like there's a cavity and there's an enamel covering. The teeth is covered with enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance, but it also get degraded because of the acid. So that's why what we do, like for example, because of that acid also we have bad odor also. Now what we do, we mama will go, "Huh, you're getting very bad smell. Go and brush your teeth again." So why the brush teeth is there? Why mama is saying for the brush and teeth? Did you ask mama? Mama, why you are telling me to brush teeth? Why you not telling me to eat more chocolates for that? You should ask. Mama will tell that the toothpaste is alkalinic in medium. The toothpaste is alkalinic in medium, and the bad odor is because of acid. So base acid become non-neutral. Now there will be no bad odor. Understood? Yes or no? So that's the role of pH in our day-to-day life. Now, in your exam, they can ask you one question that write the 5 pH uses. So you have to learn this thing. Okay? Okay, guys? Okay. Now, okay. Now, formation of salt. So as I told you, whenever acid or base react, they form salt plus water. Understood? Yes or no? Joshua, are you there with me? No. Whenever an
Yes, sir.
acid reacts, okay, whenever an acid reacts with base, it always forms salt and water. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, like you can see that NaOH is a base, HCl is an acid, it forms salt and water. KOH is a base, HNO3 is an acid, it forms KNO3 and water. So basically, how it works, so if I will write one reaction like HCl plus Na. So base, there is a base, so base cation and acid anion react together to form salt, which is NaCl. Now, what is remain behind? OH and H. So, as I told you, HOH means HOH will form water. So, that's why it's called as neutralization reaction, because salt will give pH as 7 and water, it's a same H plus ions and OH minus ions are there. If same H plus ions and OH minus ions are there, then it will create neutral. Understood? No. Jehoan, Jeshwan, did you understand? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what happens when acids react on metal? So its reaction is called as displacement reaction. Okay, we'll do this in the book. Okay, now understanding like acid react with base. So when acid react with base, this reaction is also called as neutralization reaction. So whenever acid react with base, it creates neutralization reaction. Now what happens in the neutralization reaction? Like acid is there, HCl plus base is there, which is NaOH. It create it how the mechanism happens, I will tell you. Like H and Cl plus Na and OH. So what will happen? This Na and this Cl will form a bond, making NaCl, and the second is this OH and this H will form a bond, making H. 2H is there, so H2O, which is water. So this is sodium chloride salt, and this is water. Understood? Yes or no? Now, second, when acids react with metal. So, whenever acid reacts with metal, like if I will take acid like HCl plus metal like Na. So, now what will happen? What will happen? It will be gonna be like this: HCl plus Na. So, this Na will form bond which is NaCl plus H and H will become H2. So H2 gas will evolve. Which gas will evolve? H2 gas will evolve. Okay, there is a WWE. Okay, so H2 gas will evolve. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now there is a test for H2 gas is also there. For example, there is a vessel, and in that vessel I put an acid of HCl acid, and I put flakes like Na flakes. This is Na flakes. Na. Okay. Now, when Na flakes is there, so what salt will form? NaCl, which is sodium chloride, base ka namak, kata namak. And if I will take candle near to it, if I will take out candle near to this solution, then we know that which gas will release? H2 gas will release. So whenever H2 gas burn in the form of hydrogen, then it creates a pop sound. Which sound? Pop sound. Okay, whenever hydrogen is burned in the in oxygen presence, then it creates a pop sound. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Everyone understood? Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down, quickly. Tell me when you're done. Done? Yes or no? Everyone done? Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will show you one video. Just give me a second. I want to give credit to Cam Jungle that I'm using a video. So can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Is it visible to you? Okay, so we'll check this video, then we'll understand.
Hi guys, so this video is about how you test for hydrogen gas. Now what I've got a reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid that makes H2.
So magnesium is metal. She's using what? She's using magnesium. Okay, sorry. Can you hear me? Yeah. Magnesium and hydrochloric acid, which is HCl. So magnesium is metal, and when magnesium reacts with HCl, so what will happen? This magnesium will form a bond with this, making MgCl2, and the hydrogen gas release, which is H2. So this H2 gas is doing experiment for the pop sound. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Hydrogen gas. Now what I care about in this video is how I can prove that that is hydrogen gas. I don't really care about the reaction that's happening there. So what I can do to prove that's hydrogen gas is I can put a lit splint into it. So listen for what sound you hear. So to summarize, the
Sir, I think we missed it.
Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, what happens when metal hydrogen carbonate and metal carbonate react with acid? Did I discuss the test for CO2? Yeah. Okay. Metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Now listen, guys. So whenever a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate is react with acid, two byproduct is always free, which is carbon dioxide gas and water. These two are same. Every time they will release and metal salt will form. And metal salt will form. So for example, metal carbonate, I'm taking sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal. So sodium carbonate, I'm taking it with HCl, which is a acid. So what will happen? The NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water will form. How it happens? How it happens? See, NaCO3, okay, plus HCl. So this and this form a bond, making NaCl. And carbon dioxide, as I told you, they are the byproducts and they always begin. Understood? Fill it out. Did you listen, guys? No. Okay, I'll down.
Sir, do we have class tomorrow?
Yes. You don't want any class? So, did you understand? Did you wrote just wrong? You understood everything better? No, you didn't understand. Ask me.
How is it that this how did this equation come out?
How does equation form? You're asking
Yeah.
this question? See, you should always remember this, that the HCl is acid. Okay. And acid react with sodium carbonate. And I told you carbonate when it's formed, two products are free, which is carbon dioxide and water. They always form. No matter which acid you are taking, no matter which metal carbonate you are taking, every time carbon dioxide and water will form. Every time. Okay. Now for forming this metal salt, the sodium carbonate cation is Na. Cation means the front. Na. And every time acid anion we will use, which is Cl. So Na plus Cl become NaCl, sodium chloride, which is this element. Understood? So basically, the formation of reaction is based on this orange one. If you remember this orange one, then you will get everything. Okay? Any more doubts? Just if you have doubt, just ask me, okay? Never keep it with you. Today I ask you randomly, that's why you said, so I didn't understand. Otherwise, I have no idea what you are getting or not. Just ask me. Okay? Same with Jawan also. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then I believe that you understand this chapter. I mean, still here. And we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Sayonara.
I said thank you.
Yes, sir.